Hey, my name is Galmdida. Welcome back. This is the course that we are going to take, the core Excel skills for business, financial, and statistical professionals. Just to say, Excel is the most used software application in the world, over hundreds of millions of users. So this means that basically uh, every organization has somewhere to put in a use of the spreadsheet, and some even go beyond the spreadsheet and have some analysis tools like Power Queries, Power Pivot, Power Map, and so on. And others go to automation and having VBAs and macros. So just to introduce what are the common uses of this Excel, why is it used so much in the software application. So the first thing is it is used for data entry. You have to be sure that the software you use for having data analysis and everything, it has to give you the data entry platform. So the spreadsheet itself, with so many rows and columns and everything that we are going to see, it is easy for you to enter your data. Again, you can import data from other softwares, like from SPSS, like from R, or other statistical or financial softwares that you might be using. It is easier for you to import data to Excel, or if you have your data in Excel, then it is again possible for you to export data to those softwares for maybe deeper analysis and for whatever reason that you want. So that makes Excel so powerful again. You can also store data, that is to save your data so that you have it for future as long as you keep it safe. But we do ask people to have cloud storage so that in case maybe your machine goes and whatever happens to your company or your machines, so that you are not going to lose your data. So you have cloud storage, and so that you are not going to lose your data. It is used in arithmetic calculation. Sorry, this is what we are going to see in our classes: data validation, data management, and also visualization, which is very important in today's dynamic analysis. So we are going to see all this. Data visualization is important at this age of data story, when you are going to have pivot chart dashboards, so that you recommend your analysis and you recommend business changes. Data summarization, the pivot table that by just the click, it turns around, it slice and dice your data so that you'll be able to see what is happening to your data. Very important. Data analysis, of course, there are some statistical analysis that you can perform with Excel. It is not, in fact, some. There are many analysis. Those are business analysis. You have financial analysis, and also you have statistical analysis by using Toolpack, add-ins, and so many others. Again, you can record macros for routine tasks. So if you are sitting in an office just doing something repetitively, you can avoid yourself or escape the boredom of using the same task over and over again by recording the macros, and it does for you the job, and we are going to see that. System development using VBA is very important when you go to the classes of VBA. Some of these applications we are not going to cover in this class, but we are going to cover fundamental of all these uses of Microsoft Excel, so that it will be easier for you when you go deeper in it. What we are going to cover in this Excel, of course, we are going to have concrete introduction to Excel, so that you can perfectly control your spreadsheet. We are going to discuss various functions such as sum, and also summing with criteria. We are going to have minimum, average, function, count, so that you are going to see what we can do with Excel. Again, we solve business problems by using a logical test and if statement. Very important. We are going to have lookup functions for Excel databases, explain and demonstrate benefit of working with tables. We are going to see Excel tables and how powerful it is. Learn various Excel time format and create employee payroll. So we are also going to create some payrolls in our spreadsheet, so that you make what we do very applicable. We analyze data with pivot table. We are going to create interactive pivot chart and dashboards for presentations and business changes. We are going to cover this very widely so that everyone understand and get happy. Okay, you are at the right place with CRC, that you are going to learn this Excel. It will be a journey that we have to hold each other's hand, and now in our next class we are going to launch Excel and start diving in it. Thank you for joining, and I appreciate everything that you have dropped for these minutes to listen to me. My name is Gandida. I'm the training coordinator. You can reach me at this number or email me. Thank you and enjoy learning.